Once upon a time, there was a little train who worked hard, bringing loads of coal from the coal yard to dump into the trains ready for departure. The little coal train chugged up the trestle constantly, unloaded his coal, and chugged back down again for another load.
How I envy the big, shiny trains and the places they go. If only I could go down the track and see the countryside. If only I could go someplace else beside the coal yard and up the trestle and back again.
Coal train, hurry with the coal. The trains are waiting. They must be on their way. Coal train, hurry with that coal.
If only I didn't have to stay here. I'd like to see the world. I'd like to go where the big trains go. I'm tired of hauling coal back and forth.
With one puff of determination, he jumped the trestle and tooted off down the main track, leaving the coal yard and the big trains behind.
Stop! Stop!
Why, he didn't slow down.
Went right through. Sure did.
This'll slow him down.
You can't stop me.
Oops, there goes the hose. We'll stop him with water.
Stop, little train. Stop. Stop, little train on the rails. Wanted at Kolejáček.
No matter what the people tried to do to stop the little runaway train, he just kept hurrying down the track. And when he caught an old feather mattress, he kept right on chugging down the track, and the feathers flew into the air just like snow.
Oh, snow at this time of year? Well, the flowers are out. How strange. What funny snow. The flakes aren't cold. They seem like feathers.
Moo! Where are you going, little coal train?
I'm off to see the country. Out of my way! Uh-oh. Oh, it's scary in here. I've never been through a tunnel before. Oh, oh! I'm getting low on coal.
When the little coal train came to a stop, a strange sight met his eyes, for all around were other trains who had run away and ended in a forsaken junkyard. The little coal train felt so sorry he had started his journey and wished to be back working in the coal yard. Meanwhile, all the trains were waiting at the station, for there was no little coal train to load the coal. Everything was at a standstill. Watchmen, flagmen, and conductors all tried to load the coal. If only the little coal train would come back. But he couldn't even move. There wasn't enough coal for another chug. Soon the cars sank in desperation, and vines quickly grew over the engine. With all the strength he could muster, the little engine gave a whistle and tried to whistle again to call for help.
Listen.
Yes, it's the runaway coal train. Oh, let's help him. Watchman, come with me. There's a whistle from the tunnel. The lost train must have gotten stuck in the junkyard. Listen.
Yes, it's the runaway train. With a sackload of coal, the watchman and the little girl rushed down the track on a railroad pushcart. Soon they were at the tunnel and headed for the caverns of lost trains, searching for the little lost coal train.
There it is.
We'll have him going in no time. Back at the depot, everyone was trying desperately to fill the waiting trains with coal, when suddenly the toot of the little coal train could be heard. Listen! Listen! Hooray! Hooray! It's the little coal train. He's back in the coal yard.
We can get back on schedule now.
All the waiting trains became happy as the little train that ran away chugged back to the coal yard and then up the trestle with a load of coal. Now he felt very important, for he knew all the other trains depended on him to do his job. How much fun it was to be back home in the coal yard.